backyard track, RC crawling, featuring Hobbyplus Crp18p, Trail Hunter stock, and a modified FMS FCX2 for lemur. So much drama, so much fun. Watch the spills and tumbles of these two micro-crawlers as they try to traverse this masterpiece of a track. RC crawling is a fun hobby. Release your stress and frustration on these absolutely awesome toys. A highly recommended activity for young and old alike. Come in if you're interested and want to see more. Happy to help you get started after you enjoy this video. Be sure to join our Facebook group, Micro RC Crawlers Philippines. Join us and subscribe to my TikTok and YouTube. My Hobbyplus Trailmaster verdict. Fantastic trailing experience in stock form. Buy it! You will not regret it. My FCX lemur review. Injura upgrades are a must. It sucks stock but is a fun basher. Bye! Till my next video, please like and subscribe!